Hi guys, so I've got a quick video for you today. I just want to run through my trade and explain what had happened and then learn some new lessons from obviously what had happened. So you can see that today's trading day was here, this part here, and sorry, just to confirm, today is the 27th, and you can see down at the bottom it says 27th of July. So yesterday we had this push up, and the way I explained yesterday that we had this imbalance. Yesterday we came down to test it. Now when we created this imbalance, my idea was we were looking to possibly maybe target this or possibly target this when we're looking for the bounce up. So I was looking to either, so the idea that I had was I was selling this thinking this was going to go down to this fair value gap or this fair value gap, but as you can see that did not transpire, and I'll explain why I got in as well. And like I mentioned before, I want to try and be as transparent as possible, and secondly this also proves that it did tick all my boxes, so therefore, and it ticked all my boxes, that's why I'd entered, but this explains that no strategy is 100%. You will have losing trades. It's all about your mindset in terms of being committed to your strategy and making sure that you don't let the losses hinder your trading, and you learn from your losses. So putting on all my markings, you can see that there's a fair value gap here, which is what I was looking to target, and I'll explain why I'd got in. So looking on the 3-minute time frame, we had New York open, and all we did during New York open and London was range. We didn't move anywhere, we just kept going back and forth the opening price for New York. Now at 7 and 10, which is here and here, I was looking for my setup. So what we had was, I was conscious that we had equal highs here, and when we had this run up, and then this run up, ICT mentions that it doesn't always have to take it out. It's called the 3 drives pattern, and that's what I thought that this 1, 2 and 3 was. So when we got this move right here, 1, that was an energetic push. 2, we had taken out previous highs prior to 7. 3, I had thought this was a 1, 2, 3 drives pattern, so that it would not take out this high. And then we got a break of structure here, and we got this energetic move. We had a fair value gap, and as you can see, I'd entered 2 contracts in here. Now today I only entered 2. Generally I go for maybe 4 contracts, but today I only did 2 because I was aware that there was going to be a major event in terms of news, and I didn't want to have a lot of risk on the market, just obviously not wanting to play against the news. So when this pushed down, we tapped it in here, we tapped it, all these candles here tapped into that fair value gap, and my stop loss was above this candle high, because this is where the move had started, and you can see I got stopped out on this candle right here. So what I did was I had lost, just to be transparent, I had lost 12 pips, 13 pips due to this trade. You can see there's only one trade that I'd taken, and this one they got stopped out. That was the move that I was thinking. Clearly that was wrong, but I thought that ticked all my boxes. So therefore, you know, I lost this trade. Looking back in hindsight, you could possibly say this move here was a break of structure for this, and then this candle down here came in to fill in this fair value gap. But the thing is, this candle also filled in this fair value gap, so I wouldn't have thought or wanted to change my bias. Obviously I was wrong with my bias today. We were not going to be bearish. We were going to attack the 15-minute fair value gap above, and then also attack a 1 hour high, 2 1 hour relative highs, a 1 hour high here, and just short of a 15-minute high, which obviously has now become a double top. So yeah, it was a huge move today. So if I had taken a trade, let's say I took a trade here, because that is where I get, no, it was here, that's where you get the break of structure. So if I take a trade here, stop loss would have been 15 pips, and the gain possible, I'll take up to this one because it did not take out the other 15-minute high. So I missed out on 129 pips, but that's the market for you. You win some, you lose some. So yeah, so today I had a loss, 12 pip loss. Obviously I've learned that sometimes when these events happen, I should reduce my risk on the market, so therefore I don't lose as much. But yeah, that was my trade today. Just to quickly go over some of the daily. So as you can see, we took out, so there's there's two highs there now that are relative, three highs that are relative equal. We've got a high here, still got a double bottom here, here, and potentially here, so they might actually try and go for this and continue to push up, but we will soon find out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And yeah, if I have another video or a trade, I'll post another video to you guys. And yeah, I'll speak to you guys soon.